Solve 2x squared plus 21 equals negative 17x. Well, since this is a polynomial, my first step then would be to set it equal to 0. So I need to add 17x to both sides. Well, there isn't an x on this side, so I'll just go ahead and write it in the appropriate order. Adding 17x, we'll put it in the center here. And then we have our plus 21. All right, now I have a trinomial. First thing I want to do is look for a greatest common factor, but there isn't one. So now I'll go ahead and factor it, knowing that 2x squared can only be 2x times x. And now I'll drop back to the 21, and it's going to be 3 times 7. Just as a check to make sure I'm getting the correct middle term, I'll do my outsides, which are 14x, and the insides, which is 3x. They need to add up to give me a positive 17x. Therefore, they both must be positive, which also gives me then my positive 21. So by trial and error, that's how you factor 2x squared plus 17x plus 21. Now I have these two factors, the product of which is 0. Therefore, one of them or both of them must be 0. So either 2x plus 3 is 0, or x plus 7 is 0. So now I need to solve each of these linear equations separately. So starting with this one, if I subtract 3 from both sides, I have 2x is negative 3, and then finally dividing both sides by 2, I know that my first solution then is negative 3/2. The second one, I just have to subtract 7 from both sides, giving me my second value, or solution, of negative 7. So since my highest power is 2 here, notice I have two solutions, which are negative 7 and negative 3/2.